Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in the last video I showed you guys how to install one of these for your spare holes that you have sitting in your sink, okay? Because I installed a new tap, as I mentioned in my other video. But if you're new to this video, then this video is how to install a soap dispenser, because I have two spare holes, okay? And I don't know what to fucking do with this one. I really don't want to fill it up when I could make use of it, okay? So I went ahead and I purchased a soap dispenser from Amazon. Okay, this is like $25. All right, I mean, it's plastic. Is it the best quality? No, it's not. Is it probably going to peel off and the chrome will look shit over time? Yes, it will. However, if you want to go ahead and spend the money, I'm sure you can absolutely get metal ones, and the concept is exactly the same. Okay guys, so basically you've got three pieces. You have the actual soap dispenser, you have a fill-up bottle, and you also have a hose. I believe this hose is also compatible with other bottles, like a soap bottle. I'm sure that you can go ahead and just, put this straight in the soap bottle and run it straight under the kitchen sink. Okay, so this is for you guys who are sick of having soap around your sink, and you've installed a new tap, or maybe you have two spare holes, or you've got these two covers and you're wondering what's under the covers. Well, under the covers is two spare holes, or one spare hole depending on your sink. Or maybe you don't have any holes at all, so in that case you're going to have to go and get a drill and then drill a hole straight down your sink, which in my case I do not have to do, because you know what, most modern day sinks these days, they only have one hole. But that's okay. Like I said, you can drill a hole, that's fine. All right, so today we are going to be installing this. All right, so basically you've got two pieces of rubber here. I mean, I think the concept is very simple. So yeah, you unscrew this. You've got two washers, okay? You've got two rubber washers, and this is going to go in between your metal, okay, guys? In between your metal, okay? So one will go on top, all right? One will go on top, and one will go on the bottom. And then your sink will be where my finger is, in between. And you're going to go underneath. You're going to plug this in first, unscrew this. You're going to plug this in, okay? And then you're going to go underneath. You're going to screw this back up, and you're going to make it nice and tight, okay? And then that is going to stop, or hopefully stop, your water leaks from coming through, okay? So we're going to go ahead and do that, all right? And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I've gone ahead, I've unscrewed the two washers there. I've left one washer in here. This one stays in there. That's going to go on the top of your sink, okay? You go ahead, you put your little soap dispenser straight in through the hole, okay? Just like that. All right, and this is changeable, so it doesn't matter what direction you put it in. All right, it doesn't matter. They don't lock either. Okay, so you just sit it there in your sink like that. Make sure that you cover the hole. I've got some original sinks that were here. As you can see, it's a bit dirty, but I'll go ahead and clean that later on. But we just go ahead and we just sit that right in the middle of where the previous sink was, okay? Just like that. All right, so that's gonna look like that. That's gonna look really cool. All right, that's gonna look amazing, okay? So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna go underneath the sink, and we're going to put these on, okay? So first of all, you slide this one up first, okay? And then you just screw that one in. All right, so let's go ahead. We're going to do that. I'll try and capture the moment if I can. Can't promise anything, but let's show you. I'll show you guys what we're working with here. Okay, so just up underneath there, that is our new tap dispenser, guys. All right, that's our new tap dispenser, and I'm going to try and find a way to sit the camera there if I can. Hang on. Okay, I think I've got a good view right there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead. We're going to put this straight over like that. Just slide that up there, just like that, and then go ahead and get your screw and just screw that in. Make sure your tap's lined up where you want it, because it will move. It will move. You want to make sure it's exactly where you want it. Okay, my tap is exactly where I want it, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to screw that in a little bit tighter. Okay. I have to get my other hand and do this. Okay, that is all tightened up and it no longer moves anymore. So if you go ahead and check, make sure yours is tight. And if it does end up moving in the future, you can go ahead and tighten it again. Okay, so we've got a perfect amount of clearance here, which is good. And it spins around. You can put it to the side if you don't want it in the way. That's all good. And that's how you install that part. Okay. Now we have the hose. Okay, we have the hose. I have gone ahead and unboxed the hose, okay? And we also have this extra bottle. And so what you can go ahead and do is, you can make sure that this either fits on the bottle, which I'm sure it will because it's made to fit, or you can go, and I'm pretty sure you can get your own bottle. And you can plug it in straight to some soap, which I think is really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to install my own hose, which comes with it. And I'm going to use my own bottle because I prefer to do that. All right, so I'm going to show you how to install this hose as well into the pump. All right, same concept. We get our little soap dispenser, we pop the little hose off, and then this hose is going to go over this part right there. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so the hose is off, and then basically all we do is we get our hose, and that just slides straight across the top like that. Okay, that is now installed. All right, that is how it's going to look. And that just slides straight across the top. Okay, so for me, I like things easy. And getting up underneath the sink every time to screw in a bottle is really not the way I like to do things. Instead, I like to have things done the easy way. And the easy way is to get this connector, okay, and pop this. Well, this actually, by the looks of it, goes up first. But let me see if I can make this work. Yep, so gone ahead, remove my bottle with the power of video editing, and I'm just going to pop this straight down here. I also remove the washer because I'm too lazy to just go up underneath there and go do it again. So that's just going to go straight down. As you can see, it just drops down. And it'll hit an end because, it comes down here, right? And so we're going to drag that down. I don't give a fuck. Drag it down, pop it in. Okay, pop that in like that. Now, this is awesome. Now I have a soap dispenser right here, and I can connect this to a bottle. So we're going to connect it to the Morning Fresh, okay? And that's going to become the soap dispenser for the Morning Fresh. So much better, okay? So let's go ahead and we're going to do that. Okay, so I have gone ahead, I've installed my new soap bottle. As you can see, just up underneath here, all right, I ran the cable that went straight down into the soap bottle. I then set my soap bottle there, had my cable ready, okay? So basically what you're gonna have to do is, it's gonna take a little while for this soap to get down that line and all the way up. So what I could suggest to you to do is to, either you can cut the cable, you can cut a little bit of length off, say like that much length, and then you'll still have enough to like run your soap. Just do it, to the size of your sink or where you plan on sitting your bottle regularly, but leave yourself enough room so that you can pull your bottle out and, at least you can sort of have enough there to, make it easier for you. Okay, so it's going to take a lot of pumps, all right, because, this all has to travel, all right? So basically what I went ahead and did is I put the thing in the bottle, It comes with a little wash. I think it's a little bit loose, but it's fine. It'll do what it's meant to do. It'll do the job. Okay, trust me, it does the job. It takes a while, like I said. So you know, if you think that you're going to pump it 2 or 3 times and then it's gonna, you know, magically just appear, it's not going to. You're gonna have to vigorously pump it violently. Okay, like you're gonna have to get it, and you're gonna have to go bang, 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 bang. All right. And then eventually the soap's going to come out like that. Okay. I don't want to waste any more soap, but you get the picture. All right. That's going to make your life much easier. Now, if you don't want to go through the vigorous motions of having to just pump that shit, get your bottle, screw it in, add your little, wherever the fuck my thing went, here, add this, and just connect it directly to the actual dispenser. And yeah, 2 ways to go about it. I picked the way that works for me because I don't want to keep going up underneath the sink and you know, unplugging it and plugging it and all that shit. Oh, actually though, I'm pretty sure that you can leave the bottle, you can leave the actual bottle plugged in, and you can just pull the dispenser out and then you can just fill it from the top. So that isn't too bad actually. But yeah, that's how to do that. If you want to know how to install a sinkhole, check my other video out. That's done. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and yeah, leave a like and a comment or whatever, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace out.